Hello everybody. Today we will start with the chart of gold because we pushed higher today. So it looks like we did break out from this resistance zone, but we have here this weekly resistance. If we go to the weekly chart, then you can see here that the price could not close above this level. So if we go back to the daily, then we can see that also here we pushed a bit higher, but now we're back under it. So for now it looks like this is resistance, so I'll move this resistance box a bit higher and we will see in the coming days. But on the other hand, this is also good, this push, because then it moves the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement a bit higher. And then we start to have a better confluence with this point of control from this whole up leg. So this is interesting. So I adapted here the price range in which I will buy. So 1780 is still the point of control. But since now the golden zone moved upwards, I moved the lower price target to 1760. So let's have a look now. Silver, also nothing new here, still ranging between the point of control and resistance zone. The S&P 500, not much has changed. So much, plus 0.12% for the moment. So yeah, also nothing special here. Bitcoin had some interesting price action, because if we go to the 1 hour, then we can see we did push above the midline of the pitchfork. The pitchfork you can see here on the daily chart. We pushed above, now it's support. But I think we're going to make a triangle formation. So this is the lowest low we had, up to this high, this low, and I think this is a high again. Now we'll move lower to here. Let's take the drawing tool. So I think we'll move lower like this, maybe even a bit lower. Up again, down and out. So I think this will be boring days to come this month. I think everybody will fall asleep, and then all of a sudden there will be a big price pump, and then people will be awake again, and then they will start chasing price again as usual. Let's have a look at the volume profile. So also the reason why I think that we come down to this golden zone is because here we have what we call a naked point of control. So the point of control from the 23rd of May has not been touched yet. And Bitcoin really likes to retrace to those levels. So let's see what this will give in the coming days, but I think this is getting more and more likely. Talking about Bitcoin, there was a video from Crypto. When was it? Today? No, yesterday, where he said that the price manipulation could have been seen already in advance. If you go to Glassnode, then here you have the supply held by entities with balance with more than 1,000 Bitcoin up to 10,000 Bitcoin. And you could see that they already started selling over here. And this pushed then later on the price completely down. That's an interesting graph, but unfortunately I checked the website, and to get this kind of data it costs you a whopping $700 per month, and they bill you immediately for 1 year. So it's not very workable for us. I had a look on ExoCharts, which is cheaper, whether we could find there something. And actually, when you switch to the weekly time frame, we could see something similar. So the first line here is the delta of the buying and the selling for $500,000 or more. So these are the whales, what the whales are doing, and here the bottom line is what retail is doing. So here you could see in the week of 25th of January, they started selling already almost 400 million. But the delta was more than almost 400 million. So 400 million more selling was done compared to buying. And then it continued for about 10 weeks. And then we had the climax here in the week of the 15th of March, where 2.3 billion delta we had on the sell side. So this is an interesting metric that I will watch in the coming weeks and months. I think there's a lot we can learn from that. And also ExoCharts is much cheaper than Glassnode. All right, then let's have a look at the indicators. So let's start Bitcoin. Bitcoin did have a buy signal earlier today, but then price retraced. So we will not, it looks like we will not close above, so we won't have the buy signal today. Ethereum, yeah, okay. I think Ethereum, if here those white crosses are the parabolic SAR, and I think I will, if price doesn't retrace, I will buy when it crosses this level, which is around 3035. Bitcoin Cash, right there, it looks like we're still in a slight loss, but okay, we will see on the Bybit account. XRP still in the long. The good thing is for XRP we have the ATR TSS indicator, which is going up, which means that our virtual stop loss is also going up, so we have less and less chance that we close down with a loss. Let's make this one bigger. So you see we had 0.87, then it climbed up to 0.885, and now we're at 0.946. So this is looking good. And then let's go back to this chart. We look at Tezos, there still nothing. So let's have a look at the trading account. For XRP, we are in 46% dollars profit. And if we go to Bitcoin Cash, there we are in $5 loss. All right. Okay, so for now all is looking good. So Bitcoin, I'm still looking for lower prices. So it might take a while. And yeah, for now nothing to do. And if Bitcoin goes above, how much? Still the same, $40,070. Then it will be a buy signal, and then I will trust my algo that it will be a good buy signal, and I will buy more expensive than what the price currently is. All right, that's it for me today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.